Either the youth or the old age, going to sleep late night is the most common nowadays. Again, waking up late in the morning is also common. But are we missing something due to these sleeping cycles? Brahma Muhurta will definitely answer these questions. Let us discuss. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. Brahmi Muhurtam Uttistet Swasto Rakshartam Ayushaha Tatra Sarvarta Shantyartam Smarecha Madhusudanam. Meaning, for achieving complete health and a sustaining span of long life, one should wake up during the period of Brahma Muhurta. Brahma Muhurta is a period of 1 hour and 36 minutes exactly before sunrise. In other words, this is the last phase of the night. This period is unique and sacred for all types of activities. These include yoga, meditation and divinity. Also, divine activities performed during this time show a great effect. This is much more than performing at other times. Muhurta is a time duration of 48 minutes. Hence, the first 48 minutes of 1 hour and 36 minutes before sunrise is the actual Brahma Muhurta. Also, Brahma Muhurta ends before 48 minutes of sunrise. The time of sunrise varies based on the geographic location and the season timings. Hence, Brahma Muhurta also changes according to sunrise. For example, in a country like India, if the sunrise at 6 am, Brahma Muhurta starts at 4:24 am. For some other places, Brahma Muhurta changes according to this. To proceed furthermore, let us know about the mythology of Brahma Muhurta. Vinata was one of the wives to Saint Kashyapa along with Kadruva. As a boon given by Kashyapa to both of them, Kadruva wanted 1,000 serpent children, but Vinata wanted only 2 children. Also, she wanted more bright and powerful children than those of Kadruva. Over a period of time, Kadruva gave birth to 1,000 eggs and Vinata gave birth to 2 eggs. Hatching of eggs happened for Kadruva first. Hence, her 1,000 serpent sons came into life. Vinata's eggs were not hatched and she became jealous of Kadruva. Out of curiosity, she broke one of the eggs of her 2 eggs. Because of this, she gave life to a half-formed son. The son got angry and cursed the mother to be a slave of Kadruva and her children. Later, Lord Brahma made the son of Vinata as a charioteer and herald of sun god. Brahma named him as Aruna as he is the initial creator of light at dawn. Brahma Muhurta is the period exactly when Aruna enters on the earth. Also, Lord Brahma gave blessings to mankind. This is that whatever the actions performed during the Brahma Muhurta will be auspicious. Whatever the extensive external universe contains, the same appears in the internal cosmos of a human being. This is the law of macrocosms and microcosms. According to Charaka, man is the essence of the universe. Man has much diversity as the universe has, and the universe has much diversity as the man has. According to Ayurveda, the law of macrocosms and microcosms is available in its elements and doshas. 3 doshas, meaning 3 substances, exist including Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Each dosha contains elements in it. Air and ether are the elements present in Vata, fire and water are the elements present in Pitta, and earth and water are the elements present in Kapha. The 24-hour time cycles affect the 3 mentioned doshas. These increase and decrease the effect of doshas. Ayurveda says that Kapha period exists from early morning till 10 am, Pitta period exists from 10 am till 2 pm, and Vata period exists from 2 pm till 6 pm. The same cycle applies in the night time as well. Kapha period exists from 6 pm till 10 pm, and Pitta period exists from 10 pm till 2 am, and Vata period exists from 2 am till 6 am. Brahma Muhurta occurs during Vata period. It specifies that 1.5 hours before dawn is the best time for yoga. This is because one will have an inherent still state of mind and can achieve deep meditation. So, what are the advantages of waking up at Brahma Muhurta? According to science, the cosmic energies are at their peak during Brahma Muhurta. When the sun is rising, the earth incurves the cosmic energies. These energies show a positive effect on mankind. Also, one will have more receptiveness now. Students believe that they can have a good memory of the studies learned during this time. The circadian rhythm, also called as the internal body clock, affects the metabolism of the human body. Also, the body releases high levels of cortisol hormone early in the morning. This hormone helps in reducing the stress and strain in the human body. Also, it improves memory. Also, the mind will be fresh and active at that time. This is because people will forget all the stress of the previous day in sleep. Also, the surroundings will be calm. This is the reason why students have a good memory of their studies. People should sleep early at night and should wake up at the time of Brahma Muhurta. Because of this, they will not have health problems. This is according to Ayurveda. Also, the oxygen released by the trees during the night is available fresh and is available in rich quantities. It is good for the people to perform yoga or workouts in the open air now. Also, people can perform any activity of their wish during this period. During the later part of the day, pollution occupies. Even successful people, including athletes, businessmen, politicians, wake up early in the morning. According to their words, they will get an extra 2 hours of time when people wake up early. At the bottom line, either the mythology or the science has a clear mention of waking at Brahma Muhurta is the best time. Also, practicing any activity during this period is the best time ever. This is especially for students. This is because the mind will be in an inherent still state and will have the greatest receptiveness. It is necessary and important for every individual to wake up at this auspicious time. One has to attain the greatest benefits and success by doing this. For more information on the topic, please visit the website naturalcosmos.com. I am leaving the URL in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe for more such interesting articles. It boosts interest for me to research more on the articles. Also, click on the bell icon so that you can get immediate notifications of my video uploads. Do not forget to share your thoughts, comments, views, perspectives in the comment section below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in the next video.